Assalamu alaikum students. Today we are going to study English class 5. Everyone sang as we have completed this whole poem. Today we are going to do its exercise. It is page number 81. Let's start. Question number 1 is answer the following questions, and question number A is where do you think the people in the poem are, and its answer is the people in the poem are in a war zone, probably in a trench. This is the answer of question number 1. Question number 2. What comparison does the poet make in the first stanza? And its answer is in the first stanza, the poet says his feeling of delight in the singing is just the same as imprisoned birds must feel when suddenly being able to fly in the open air. Question number C. How did beauty come? And its answer is beauty come like the setting sun. Question number D. What did the poet feel when he heard the singing? And its answer is when he heard the singing, the poet felt that his heart was shaken with tears. Question number E. What feeling left the poet when he heard the singing? And its answer is the feeling of the horror of the war left the poet when he heard the singing. Question number 2 is can you find a rhyming pattern in the poem? And the rhyming pattern of the poem is A, B, C, B, B, as you can see here in this poem. First is A, second B, third C, then again B, and this is B. Because delight, white, sight, these are the same rhyming words. Similarly, in the next stanza, A, B, C, B, and B. Sun, one, and done. These three are the same rhyming words. Next question. Find words in the poem that are uh, anagrams of the following. First is wordless. Second is everyone. Third is drifted. Fourth one is freedom. Fifth one is suddenly, and sixth one is delight. Question number 2, next page, 82 page. When you have written out the words from the previous exercises in your notebook, enter them in the grid below. Be careful they are not in the correct order. First is wordless, drifted, suddenly, freedom, delight, everyone. And in the center, it becomes riddle, R-I-D-D-L-E, riddle. Complete the following table: base form, simple past, and past participle. First is smell, smelled, smelled. Break, broke, broken. Read, read, read. Read, read, read. Blow, blew, blown. Send, sent, sent. Next is make a similar table in your notebook for the following: throw, throw, threw, thrown, show, showed, shown, buy, bought, bought, fight, fought, fought, see, saw, seen. Next question is, say the following words aloud and pick out the odd word in each set. Fun, sun, done, one, bone, shun, none. And odd one out is the bone. Next is day, stay, they, way, pray, quay, nay. And in this line, quay is the odd one out. Odd one word. Peas, these, sneeze, freeze, geese, trees, breeze. Geese is the odd one word. There, near, fair, tear, stare, clear, hair. And in this line, the odd word is clear. Today we have completed this whole chapter with this exercise. In our next video, we will discuss its next chapter. Allah Hafiz.